So I'm upstairs now in my bedroom finishing my spring and summer transition. Um, so some of you wanted to see what I do and how I store my stuff. So this is the armoire, this chest that we have. My husband uses it and I use it. I use this part and he uses that in the bottom. The bottom is actually a cedar drawer. So we have all of our wool and cashmere down here. This is where I store all my cardigans, my sweaters. This is usually the clothes, this section right here is usually the clothes that I hide from season to season. This is chunky scarves and ponchos. And this is just some miscellaneous long sleeve tops that I use. And some sweaters, like sweatshirts. Anyway, so I've already moved all my summer and spring stuff. I already sorted it out and decided if I still wanted those pieces or not. And this is one of the tops. And actually, I think that everybody should have a one shoulder top because you can wear it anywhere and it looks sophisticated and sexy and classic. This is my closet. It's a work in progress. Because we need to add shelves, and I'm gonna do a shelf and 2 bars here for a medium hang and low hang, and I'm gonna store stuff up on top. Right now I have these big bins down here, and I have my athletic wear and my summer shorts and some jeans that I grow in and out of. And the bottom is some miscellaneous jewelry that I use for photo shoots and stuff. But anyways, I organize my tops from camis to long sleeve, and I do it by color. So I go from light to dark, and this is what my closet looks like for the summer. It's there's a little bit of color in there. And for the winter, you usually see it more black and grays and burgundy and olive greens. But yes, that is it.